Updating breaking news now. As we just told you a few minutes ago, the so-called Faria Beach killer Joshua Packer has been sentenced in a Ventura County courtroom. News Channel 3 reporter Kelsey Gerkins was in the court this morning as family members made some statements today. Kelsey, what can you tell us?
Joe, the judge said that Joshua Packer will be spending the rest of his life in prison without the possibility of parole. And this happened after they made a plea deal in December where he pled guilty to all of the counts against him. Now, today in court, this was an opportunity for family members of the victims to come forward and say their personal statements. So we heard from 5 family members, Brock and Davina, who said, including their 16-year-old daughter, who was actually in the house when this horrific crime scene happened on May 20th of 2009. We were unable to film her, but she's 16 years old. She was 11 years old at the time of the crime, and she told how Joshua Packer took away her family members. Her and her brother survived, but she lost her parents and she lost her unborn brother, who was going to be named Grant. Now, it was a really emotional time in the courtroom. I also spoke with the Ventura County Sheriff's Department after, and they are just so happy that this is finally coming to a closure. He was up for the death penalty because he did plead guilty to 3 murders as well as a number of other charges, but because of that plea deal, he will just be in prison for the rest of his life without the possibility of parole. Reporting live in Ventura, Kelsey Gerkins, News Channel 3.
All right, Kelsey, that's a big trial. You know, we've been following that for years.
A long time now, yeah.
Thank you for that live report. All right, the big story of the day.